Hi and welcome back to the channel, and thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I am going to teach you how to fix Starfield Sabotage mission bug. Make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you won't miss any important step or information. And without further ado, let's get on it. So the first fix that you can do is to scan the door. So the first thing that you can do or you need to do is to scan the door while completing the mission. So the door will activate itself when you scan it, and you will be able to carry on with your sabotage mission in your Starfield. And then you can also untrack and retract the mission. So another fix that you can try is to untrack the sabotage mission and then wait for a few minutes. So after this track the sabotage mission again, you can track the sabotage mission again and try to do the quest. So many players have found this to solve the bug issue that they were having, so you can also try that. And then you can also try to use the correct steps for the completing the mission. So do the quest in the correct way and make sure that you are not doing any useless process. So using the scanner, you will have to use manipulate on the Marcus. You try if the attempt failed. So target the key card on the bench next to him and let him pick it up. And while still manipulating him, target the door itself using the unlock command. And then you can also try level up your stealth skill. So make sure that your stealth skill is high before you attempt to complete the sabotage mission. So as the sabotage mission requires quite a high level of stealth skill, in case you do not have it, then it might be impossible for you to complete the mission. So you should leave the mission for now and level up your stealth skill before attempting again. So if you're wearing armor or helmet or other accessories while doing the mission, then it is advised that you remove them and attempt the mission in your normal street clothes, as armor hinders your stealth from activating properly. And then lastly is to use silenced weapons. So another fix that you can try in case you face a bug in the sabotage mission is to use silenced weapon to take out the enemy. So you can use them to destroy the enemy turrets before they can fire you and then progress with the mission. So that's it for this video. I hope this helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.